Hey everyone, Stuart here. So a lot of you have been asking questions in the comments of the last video that I did on the Crane M2 and the Canon G7X Mark III. So I thought I would answer some of those questions in this video, and if you have any other questions, please post them down in the comments and I will do up a follow-up video. So a couple of the questions that I wanted to answer today were to do with the zoom. So, question 1, can you use the zoom on the Crane M2 when it's connected to the Canon G7X Mark III? Yes, you can. Question number 2 that we've had is it a smooth zoom? So, unfortunately, it's not a smooth zoom. So, in my testing and in the last couple of months that I've been using the Crane M2, I've noticed that when you use the zoom on the actual crane, the camera does stutter. So what that means is that it will go from like 1.0 or whatever to 1.3, fine, so it'll go smoothly, and then when it goes from 1.3 to 1.5 it stutters out, and so on until 4.2. Now that doesn't necessarily mean each time that you record it will allow you to go from 1.0 to 4.2. That's the other thing that I found, is that sometimes it will go from 1.0 to 4.2, or it'll go 1.0 to 3.5, 3.7, 4.0, 4.2. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments and I will do up a follow-up video.